IKEA. Does it have like that play area?
Yeah, what's up everyone? Today we're doing another video. And today we're playing on the Zuko.lbsc.net. And I don't know why, I just wanted to do it. But yeah, let's just start. A lot of inappropriate chat, so let's turn that off. Let's see. Oh, ow. Oh, I need to be logged in. I know where that bump got me too. Oh my god, so many inappropriate beep. If you guys want to see the password for what I'm using here, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, join. There you go. Join. I said join. I can't join it. Why can't I join it? Oh, get in. I can't join it. Well, looks like it won't join for anyone else too. So, what do you do? DNTD it? Oh no, you're not DNTD it. Let's just play some. Oh, guys, if you guys wanna, I'm gonna be helpful for you guys. I found something really cool in this map. Maybe some of you have seen it, maybe some of you not. But you're most likely maybe wanna find it. There's a cave right here. There's a ladder. Oh, looks like someone's already there. Oh, it says join. Oh, do I need to log in? Oh, wow. Looks like someone's already here. It's Noob Diamond. So if you guys already know, we're on top and we're actually on the blimp. But you can't get out. But not really much people can see you. But it's really cool. Let's get that. Where did that noob go? Maniac. So let's see if I can go to any other ones. Let's see, Medea. Let's go. Or we can just do some park. Oh, it looks like. I already know where it is. Try to clear up the lag because I don't know why. Oh, and they already changed something so you wouldn't actually go on the cafe. I don't know why, but there used to be a bush here. And then for some reason it went away. No why. Oh, what if we... Oh yeah, I went up there already. It's nothing. You can't go nothing. Oh. Okay. Now there's another one right there. I will go show you guys one after I do some parkour. I don't know what to call this episode. Maybe this episode I would not. Ow! So much lag, that's why. But maybe I'll just call this Secret Room episode. Ooh, Secret Room. Here's one right here. Hopefully you guys will know it. We found a secret room. What did I... Oh my god. Get out of here. Do some slash hub. Slash. What did he say? Spam. Oh, I think he means Hunger Games. Jump, jump. Okay. Any more secret rooms that I might. Oh, here, there's one right there. I don't think I never saw that one before. Oh wait, no, I have. Yep, I have. Sorry guys for the. If you guys hear the. Because I tried not to. But sometimes when I do a video and it does that so much, I just don't upload it. That's why you guys don't see much uploads from me. Hey. Okay, fine. Ladies first. Weirdo. Weird name. Weird name-o. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Let's just get up here. Eat some cake. What does it say? It says the Serpent's Den. Lifeboat lobby built by Superior Craft. Got a good view. Oh yeah, and I got more. I can't jump. Oh, that's just great. Can't jump. Might not upload this because I have 100% that's gonna do. That guy's trying to do good up there. Sorry, dude, you can't. Is there something back there? But I really want to get this parkour done because I want to know what's up there. Here. Oh yeah, here's another one. It says stay frosty, my friend. Friends, not friend. You have more friends than that. Friend. They should increase the speed on this. Going way too slow. And way too laggy. But I think I'll show you. First, we already saw that one. I'll show you one more and then I'll end the video for here. Okay, where's that one? I'll give you a hint. It says stay charged. It's right next to the walls. And if you guys want me to go up there, I'll try to. Yeah, see, you see a zombie right there? It says stay charged. Stay charged, and then heart. I don't know what's wrong with that. It looks like he has a big head. Let's go up, wolf boy. Wolf boy, yeah. We should call this Lag Sunday. No, it's not Sunday. Lag Monday. Laga Tuesday. Okay, now this one's the hard part right here. See, you see that? You see that? Wow. I just did that. Got a third person view. Jumping jacks. I love them. I love them. Oh my. I don't know what to do. How did he even get up there? No, I'm sorry. Try not to be mean in my videos. But I do got a video editor. I can probably do something. Maybe not, maybe will. Oh, don't do that! Hello! We already did some. And buy a light. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost did it! I'm mad! Yep, I'm mad! So yeah, I think that's all. Oh yeah, I just climbing up the tree. So what else is here? Oh, okay. I never saw it before. But my time has come. I'm the king of the... Can I jump somewhere? Jump somewhere. Oh my god, good idea, Evan. You're such a... Yep, Evan's such a genius. No! Fine, we'll do it again. I think I know the technique. I do. So I will. So that was all the... I did tell you I was gonna end the video after I told you that secret stuff. But yeah, I will call this secret ending. I mean secret stuff or anything else. Oh my god, I thought I knew how to do this. It was a lag. I knew it. I don't know why lag is a thing. It's not a thing actually. Get up. How is it hard just to get up somewhere? Why did I do it? Why didn't I do it? Okay, don't just go all the way. Go all the way, then go all the... How can I not? It's just so easy. Hit that, then hit that. I'm so frustrated. Oh, no, yes! I'm not frustrated anymore. Get over there. Oh yeah, king of the... Oh, okay, good. So here. Probably make it. It pushes you. Yes, it pushes you. Yes, it does. Well, yeah. I hope you guys liked this video. See you guys next time. Yeah. Alright. Put your face in the corner right now. Bye. Oh, bye. See ya.